Welcome to Easy Meals with Chris. Today I am cooking apple pie. Pause the video to get a good look at the ingredients. Apple pie is such a good and easy dessert to make. It all starts with the apples you choose to use. Most recipes call for Granny Smith apples, which are more tart, but I prefer Honeycrisp as they hold their shape and are sweeter, so you get more apple flavor without needing as much sugar. I typically get 5 medium-sized apples, but you want to make sure you have enough to fill up the pie. Peel and cut them thin, or use a mandolin if you have one. Place them in a large bowl. I cook them in the microwave for about 2 minutes. This will help them lose some moisture, and I learned that if I didn't, the pie would have too much moisture and the bottom of the crust wouldn't hold up. Mix in the sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, flour, and a pinch of salt, and keep turning it until it's evenly distributed. I use pre-made pie crust to keep things simple. Use a 9-inch glass pie pan and just set one crust along the bottom and press down to remove any air pockets. Then you will want to take your apple filling and try to layer it so it is nice and dense with a few more in the middle to make it have that wonderful apple pie shape. Then you place the top layer on. You want to lift up the edge of the bottom layer and tuck the top layer under it and press slightly, and do that for the whole pie. Then you can crimp the edges with your fingers to get that seal. I use kitchen shears, or you can use a knife, and you want to cut in some steam holes. I do 4 near the middle and then 4 more near the edge. This will make sure enough moisture can escape. Before you put that in the oven, you want to cover the edges with aluminum foil so they don't burn while cooking. Put that into a 425-degree oven for about 35 minutes. When it's done cooking, you need to let it rest for about 2 hours to cool off properly. Once it has cooled off, then it is ready for slicing. Thanks for watching and have a great meal.